A young man from Jackson County died after a motorcycle crash. Police say it happened yesterday afternoon in Leone Township. Officers with the Blackman-Leone Department of Public Safety responded to the crash near East Michigan and Mill Street just after 4. They say they found 20-year-old Joseph Pointer near the motorcycle he was riding. He was taken to the hospital where he later died. Investigators say Pointer was wearing a helmet when he lost control and fell off his bike.